witness the strength of street knowledge.
Underground people out there, what do you know about the underground? This is Ice-T, representing with the Freestylers, you know what I'm saying? Los Angeles, California, all the way to London, England, yeah?
Tune in, check this, bass a drop, treble a drop, raw fuck, freestylers, massive, hands to the air!
Surely, they drew their plans against us.
Every time